In recent years, with the continuous increase of the world's population, people's travel methods have also changed, ever-changing. In addition to our well-known transportation methods such as subways, underground tunnels, and airplanes, with the improvement of engineering construction technology, the construction of subsea tunnels has also become a reality. How is the subsea tunnel built? The seabed is so deep. How do engineers build tunnels under the sea? In this video, we will take the subsea tunnel of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge as an example to analyze it. There may be inaccuracies in the explanation, and I hope everyone can correct me. The construction of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge took 9 years, and has a service life of 120 years. Known as the longest and most difficult sea-crossing bridge in the world, it marks another step in China's strong infrastructure capabilities. Among them, the bridge has a subsea tunnel with a total length of 6.7 kilometers. How was this undersea tunnel built? The sea is full of water, and there is a strong water pressure on the bottom of the sea. So the construction of an undersea tunnel needs to use different methods according to the location of the tunnel. Tunnel excavation generally uses the following 4 methods, namely, the drilling method, the immersed tube method, the tunnel boring machine method, and the shield method. In some ocean areas where the seawater is shallow, the water flow is gentle, and the seabed terrain is relatively flat. Immersed tubes are generally used to lay submarine tunnels. This method is called the immersed tube method. When you see the name, I think you can probably guess how this method works. Yes, the immersed pipe method is to prepare the pipeline used for the construction of the subsea tunnel in advance, then sink the pipeline into the seabed, and finally carry out follow-up projects such as leveling, reinforcement, and protection. However, engineers can make complete pipelines for the construction of subsea tunnels at one time. So engineers can only manufacture these pipelines section by section. Of course, accurate calculations by professionals are indispensable. After these pipelines are built, engineers will use tugboats to transport the pipelines to the designated sea surface, then sink the pipelines into the seabed according to the planned position, and carry out subsequent splicing work, because the pipeline needs to be immersed in the seabed for a long time, to avoid seawater pouring into the pipeline and causing water leakage accidents. Both ends of these pipes will be sealed, and the sealing structure will not be removed until the adjacent pipes are fully connected. After all the pipelines are spliced, the undersea tunnel project will be initially completed. After that, engineers will cover the side and top of the subsea tunnel with a layer of gravel to fix the subsea tunnel, prevent the pipeline from floating up, and also prevent the subsea tunnel from being hit by certain sinking objects. The subsea tunnel of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge was built by connecting 33 sections of pipelines using the immersed tube method. However, it is worth mentioning that the subsea tunnel built using the immersed tube method is different from the transparent pipeline of marine management, and no marine life can be seen. The undersea tunnel is dark, and some are just lights. The reason why transparent pipes cannot be used is mainly related to the water pressure on the seabed. Many people also think that if open pipes are used, the driver's attention will be distracted. However, in some places where the water flow is relatively fast, the immersed tube method is not very practical. What should we do at this time? As the saying goes, there are always more solutions than difficulties. Since the immersed tube method cannot be used, then simply dig a tunnel under the seabed, which is the same as digging a subway tunnel on land. In addition to the subsea tunnel of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, China's first subsea high-speed railway tunnel, with a design speed of 350 km/h, has entered the substantive construction stage. China deserves to be an infrastructure madman. Engineering construction technology leads the world. Watch this review of Chinese engineers build an undersea tunnel. And tell us what you think. Enjoy!